अस्सलाम वालेकुम। भाइयों और बहनों, पाकिस्तान हासिल करने के लिए हमने बहुत कुर्बानी की है। अल्लाह ताला ने हमें कुर्बानियों ने की बदले आजाद की नियामत दी है।
I am the founder of Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.
My name is Fatma Jina. I'm a sister of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
My name is Rama Iqbal. I am national poet of Pakistan. Happy Independence Day. I love my Pakistan.
I love Pakistan. Pakistan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Arush. We are celebrating Independence Day. Thank you, Dr. Anwar. Pakistan Zindabad. We love you, Pakistan. I'm celebrating 14 August. Happy 14 August. Assalamualaikum. I love Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad. Happy Independence Day. I love Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.
दिल का जुनून जो रगों से बहा है, दिल आजमाया तो डरना लगा है। दिल का जुनून जो रगों से बहा है, दिल आजमाया तो डरना लगा है। नहीं कोई भी खौफ दुश्मन का हमको, नहीं कोई भी खौफ दुश्मन का हमको, नहीं मिलने देंगे यूं धरती से हमको।
I love Pakistan. I wish you all happy Independence Day. Thank you. My name is Abdullah Khan. We celebrate our Independence Day on 14 August. Our founder of Pakistan is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Independence Day is held on 14 August. On this day, we got independence from British rule in 1947. Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal and many Muslims laid down their life for Pakistan. People all over the Pakistan celebrate this they dress up by themselves in green and white.
Assalamu alaikum to all. Happy Pakistan Day, happy 14 August, happy Independence Day, Pakistan Zindabad.
I love Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. I love Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Happy Pakistan Day, happy Independence Day, happy 14 August, Pakistan Zindabad. पाकिस्तान है ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है, मेरा पाकिस्तान है ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है, इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है, इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। पाकिस्तान जब जब पाकिस्तान दिन दिन पाकिस्तान दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान हमारा पाकिस्तान वतन हमारा पाकिस्तान चमक रहा है चांद सितारा पाकिस्तान।
पाकिस्तान जान जान पाकिस्तान दिल दिल जाने दिल से मैंने देखा पाकिस्तान जहाँ से मेरा धरती पे ईमान दिल से मैंने चाहा इस वतन पे जानो दिल कुर्बान ये वतन हमारा, इस वतन से पहचान हमारी ये वतन हमारा, कुर्बानियां कितनी लेकिन आजादी लाए, मैं तो ये चाहूं सारी दुनिया ही ये जाने दिल से मैंने देखा पाकिस्तान जहाँ से मेरा धरती पे ईमान दिल से मैंने चाहा पाकिस्तान जहाँ से मेरा धरती पे ईमान मेरा पाकिस्तान जानो दिल कुर्बान, कुर्बानियां कितनी लेकिन आजादी लाए, मैं तो ये चाहूं।
Respect my name is Sun. I do this. Assalamu alaikum to all. Today my speech topic is about independence of Pakistan. We know Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947 by the great and noble effort of Qazi Azam. Dear fellows, we know we get our independence by sacrifice thousands of our elders. We should work hard for the prosperity of Pakistan. We love our Pakistan and Pakistan Zindabad.
Alaikum ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Umama Haqqani from class 6. My topic is Independence Day. Today is the 14 August when Islamic Republic of Pakistan came into being. This is the most important day in history of Pakistan because this day we got independence by the hard work of Quaid-e-Azam. He is our great leader. I feel very proud to be a Pakistani. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Fatma Baloch from class 6. Today's my topic is Independence Day. After many struggles and sacrifices of our forefather and the great leader of Pakistan, we finally got our homeland on 14 August 1947. We received Pakistan in two wings, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. Some leaders that are quite famous for this achievements are Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, Yaqub Ali Khan and Fatima Ali Jinnah. Independence Day is now celebrated in lots of energy and joy since 1947 in Pakistan. Because we really value our land which provides us shelter and nationalities, and we love it deeply to show the world of enough of it. Inshallah, Pakistan will become a successful country soon. Pakistan Zindabad.
Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amna Mahmood and I am from class 9. Today I am glad to join you. The topic of my speech is Independence Day. Independence Day, the day of 14th August, when Islamic Republic of Pakistan came into being. Every year, this day is celebrated in Pakistan with excitement and joy. According to the English calendar, we celebrate Independence Day on 14th August, while in Islamic calendar, the Independence Day is on 27th of Ramadan. This day has huge importance in Pakistan, especially because on this day we got, or as we can say, achieved Pakistan by the hard work of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, Maulana Yaqub Ali Khan and many Muslims and soldiers who give sacrifices to our country. We salute to our father of nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, for the great effort for the establishment of Pakistan. I am proud to be the citizen of that country, which is the 6th largest army in the world, capable of defeating any enemy. I am proud to be the citizen of that country, which is the first Islamic nuclear power in the world. The country which has the passionate and talented youth with exceptional gifted abilities in the field of science, technology, social science, arts, sports, and many other disciplines. We salute to the soldiers, to the Muslims, and to those who are still standing on the border just to save us, leaving behind their families, their priorities just to save us. I pray to Almighty Allah for blessing us the most beautiful country, the most brave soldiers, and I pray for the Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum to respected teachers and principal. Today I am presenting a speech on Independence Day. First of all, happy Independence to all of you. 14 August 1947 is a very common day for other nations, but it is the most valuable day for Pakistani nation in the history of Pakistan. Pakistan came into existence due to vested efforts of Quaid-e-Azam, a great leader, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah proved to be a great leader, and his name has been written in golden words in the history of Pakistan. The importance of this day lies in paying tribute to the lost heroes and raising hopes for a bright future of Pakistan. The Independence Day reminds us of those patriots who fought and suffered to win freedom for us. Being a Pakistani, we must celebrate 14 August by thanking to Almighty Allah for giving this homeland after immense sacrifices. So Pakistan Zindabad.
and will work for its defense till the day of our last beat. दिल से निकलेगी ना मरकर भी मेरे वतन की उल्फत, मेरे वतन से आज भी खुशबू वफा आएगी. God bless our land, God bless Pakistan. Ameen. Happy Independence Day.
जिंदा कौम है, पाइंदा कौम है, हम सबकी ये पहचान, हमारा पाकिस्तान, 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 हमारा पाकिस्तान, पाकिस्तान, पाकिस्तान.
Teachers and all of my class fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Aliza Sumi from class 8. Today I am here to give you a short speech about our country's Independence Day. The Independence Day of Pakistan is 14 August 1947. The country has been independent in the results of Quaid-e-Azam and the sacrifices of our ancestors and their head-back joint efforts. Muhammad Ali Jinnah awaked our slapped nation with their poetry and poems. The Muslims of the subcontinent gave many sacrifices for the several years, as they were not allowed to practice their own religion in the freedom, as there were many minorities. Independence Day of any country is like a celebration. A flag is a sign for every country, and every country has a different flags and rejoice with their happiness with family and friends. Pakistan